Scots, I'm Ashira.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Hannah.
Happy Thursday.
There is no school for students tomorrow, so enjoy your 3-day weekend. First, if you are looking for some Highland gear to keep you warm during these cold days, please stop by the student store or finance office during lunch. They're selling hoodies, hats, beanies, and long sleeve shirts.
Second, the gavel came down and Highland's mock trial defense team was victorious in successfully defending Toby Clark against Centennial's Golden Hawks in round 2. That's right, Highland is now 2-0 in this year's mock trial competition. Way to go, Scots.
Third, seniors, grad night tickets will go on sale starting next Monday, January 22nd. Tickets are $141 and include early access to Universal Studios and transportation to and from the park. Only Highland seniors may attend. Permission slips are available in the activities office. See Miss Barbara Smith with questions.
Hello, Scots. Welcome to sports. I'm Silas.
Hey, Scots. I'm Sarah.
The varsity team for League of Legends won third place during this weekend's tournament.
Go, Scots. If you want to play Overwatch 2 or Fortnite, go to Classroom 7H after school for more information.
Highlands girls soccer team needs your help. By scanning the QR code on your screen, you can donate some money. This money will help with buying new uniforms, equipment, and other expenses.
Remember, Scots, spring sports will be here soon. If you have any questions, stop at the athletics office. That's it for us.
Let's go back to Hannah and Ashira.
Let's go with Kim Embry.
They have some information about the drama program.
Hey, Scots.
Do you want to be a part of Highland's spring musical?
If so, you'll want to listen to the special announcement from the drama program.
Auditions will be happening January the 23rd to the 25th.
January 23rd, after school is for dancing. Make sure to dress comfortably and wear proper shoes. No dancing experience necessary.
January 24th, after school is for singing. Make sure to bring some water and your singing voice. No singing experience necessary.
January 25th, after school is for acting. Auditions will be in groups between 1 and 3 people. No acting experience necessary either.
Please plan to attend all 3 days of auditions. If you can't make it, please make sure to talk to Mr. Thompson.
If you have any questions, go to 8C or email justin_thompson@kernhigh.org.
Hi, welcome to Counselor's Corner. I'm Miss Barrick. I'm just kind of giving you some ideas of some things that we need to let everybody know. We've got some big things coming up. January 31st, there's going to be the Kern County Foundation Scholarship Workshop where you can work on your scholarships. This will be open to all seniors. You'll need to sign up with Miss Verde in the Career Center, or you'll follow the QR code that we'll be placing on Canvas in your class or on our Instagram. Sophomores and juniors, pay attention. ROC and CTEC will be coming to your history classes on February 13th or 14th, depending on when your history class is. So make sure you pay attention and you're here those days so that you can hear all about ROC and CTEC. We're also going to have our inaugural, that means first time, career fair on February 16th during lunch. It'll be open to all of us. We're going to have a lot of Highland alums who are going to come back and tell us about what they do, and we'll have an opportunity to talk to them about how they got to where they are now and why they're doing that stuff. We'll also start coming out and discussing honor roll, and we will be out calling kids in for CSF and honor roll, so keep an eye out for those invitations to come to the library to work with us.
One more thing before we end the show today.
If you lost your AirPods during the first semester,
Go by the dean's office to see if they have them in the lost and found.
and Scots, follow our Instagram page at HHS_VideoPro.
That's it for today.
And remember to plaid up.